What if I told you there are entire cities in China where manufacturing never stops? Cities where thousands of factories operate around the clock, where robots work through the night, and where products used by billions of people are designed, assembled, packaged, and shipped every single day. From smartphones and electric vehicles to appliances and industrial equipment, many of the products that power the modern world pass through China's factory cities. But these are not ordinary industrial zones. They are massive urban manufacturing ecosystems that never truly sleep. This is the story of China's factory cities and how they became the engine behind the world's manufacturing powerhouse. When most people think of factories, they imagine a single building producing one type of product. But China's factory cities operate on an entirely different scale. Take Dongguan, located in Guangdong Province. Home to millions of residents, the city has become one of the largest manufacturing hubs on Earth. Thousands of factories produce everything from electronics and furniture to machinery and consumer goods. Nearby cities like Shenzhen, Foshan, Suzhou, Ningbo, and Guangzhou form part of an enormous industrial network that stretches across entire regions. Together, these cities create one of the most powerful manufacturing ecosystems ever built. In some areas, suppliers, manufacturers, logistics companies, warehouses, and ports are all located within a few hours of each other. This allows products to move from concept to production with incredible speed. The reason these cities never sleep is simple: demand never stops. Every day, consumers around the world purchase millions of products. Phones, computers, electric vehicles, home appliances, industrial equipment. Factories must constantly produce, assemble, and ship these products to customers around the globe. Many facilities operate multiple shifts. While one group of workers leaves, another begins. In highly automated facilities, robots continue working even when the lights are turned off. Some factories now operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The goal is efficiency. Every additional hour of production helps lower costs and increase output. For companies competing in global markets, speed and scale can be a major advantage. One of the most fascinating developments is the rise of so-called dark factories. These facilities are so heavily automated that they require very few workers on the production floor. Because robots do not need lighting, some sections can operate in near darkness. Computer-controlled machines perform tasks with extraordinary precision. Robotic arms weld components. Automated systems inspect products for defects. Autonomous vehicles transport materials throughout the facility. Artificial intelligence helps optimize production schedules and monitor performance. Supporters argue that automation increases efficiency, improves quality, and helps manufacturers remain competitive. As labor costs rise, more companies are investing heavily in these technologies. And China is becoming one of the world's largest users of industrial robots. China's factory cities possess another advantage that is difficult to replicate: the supply chain. In many countries, a company might need to import components from multiple locations around the world. That process takes time. In China's manufacturing hubs, suppliers are often located nearby. Need electronic components? A supplier may be only a few kilometers away. Need packaging? Another company can deliver it the same day. Need logistics? Warehouses, trucking companies, rail terminals, and ports are already connected to the system. This concentration of suppliers dramatically reduces costs and speeds up production. It is one of the key reasons why China became known as the factory of the world. Producing goods is only part of the challenge. They also need to be delivered. Fortunately for China's factory cities, many are located near some of the busiest ports on Earth: Shanghai, Shenzhen, Ningbo, Zhoushan, Guangzhou. Every year, millions of containers move through these ports. Products manufactured in factory cities are loaded onto ships and sent to markets across Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Americas. High-speed rail, highways, airports, and logistics centers all help keep goods moving. Without this infrastructure, the manufacturing machine would slow dramatically. Instead, products can often move from factory floor to global markets with remarkable efficiency. Despite their success, China's factory cities face growing challenges. Competition from other countries is increasing. Companies are diversifying supply chains. Rising wages have increased production costs, and trade tensions continue creating uncertainty in global markets. To remain competitive, manufacturers are investing heavily in automation, artificial intelligence, and advanced production technologies. The next phase of China's manufacturing story may depend less on cheap labor and more on innovation. The focus is shifting from simply making products to making them smarter, faster, and more efficiently than anyone else. China's factory cities are unlike anything else on Earth. They combine millions of workers, thousands of factories, advanced logistics networks, and rapidly growing automation into a single manufacturing ecosystem. Day and night, products continue moving through this vast industrial machine. For decades, these cities helped transform China into a global manufacturing superpower. And while the future remains uncertain, one thing is clear: the factories may change, the technology may evolve, but the cities that never sleep will continue shaping the products, industries, and economies that power the modern world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Scale channel for more stories about the technology, infrastructure, and industries shaping the future.